Hello everyone. My name is Anjali and I'm third year BSM student from Aizer Bhopal. I'm from biological science majors, and in this video I'll tell you people regarding the most scoring subject, that is none other than biology. So in this video, I'll tell separately for PCM students and PCB students. See, PCM students, they are continuously asking me that, Didi, what should I do to score a decent marks in biology? So I'll first tell regarding PCM students and then I'll move on to PCB students. See, I am a PCB student and I got full marks in IAT biology section. My whole 15 questions was correct, and I did that 15 question in almost like 10 minutes or so. So I am confident enough to tell about biology. And in NEET also, my score in biology was good enough. See, people get full marks in NEET, 360 out of 360, and that is very common. So I got 350 out of 360 in biology. So yeah, I can tell you people regarding biology. See, IIT biology, IIT questions are different from NEET. You cannot compare them. So I'll tell first about PCM students. So math students, what you should do to score a decent enough marks in biology. So first of all, the IAT syllabus of biology is not whole NCRT. There is a separate syllabus for biology which includes diversity in living world, structural organization in animals and plants, cell structure and function, plant and animal physiology, human physiology, reproduction, genetics and evolution, biology and welfare, human welfare, biotechnology and its application, ecology and environment. So this is the biology syllabus for IAT. So you have to study these chapters only. Means you don't have to study all the chapters because you are PCM students, but for PCB students I'm telling that you have to study all this whole biology, because biology will give you marks. See, it is very easy to score full marks in biology. Even for math students also, na, it may be possible that you can get more marks in biology if you study these chapters thoroughly. So only 3 months are left, so let's make realistic talk. So for math students who have not touched biology, so it's not possible to complete the whole biology, but I'll tell you some chapters which are easy and scoring, so you can do those chapters and you can get almost 5-6 questions correct from them. So for math students, I've taken the syllabus of IIT. See, the unit ecology and environment, I think it's the last unit of NCRT class 12. So that unit, that is not basically a core biology chapter. So that unit you can easily do. It is more like general knowledge now, ecology and environment. So you can do that unit. And how will you do? Of course, if you study NCRT, you will not get it, because first of all, direct questions are not asked, so you have to understand concept, and for understanding concept you will need someone to explain you, and YouTube is full of brilliant teachers. So I'll tell you, when I was in 11th 12th and drop year, so I used to study biology from the Vipin Sharma sir, and he used to teach NCRT only. Then I used to study from Garima Goyal ma'am. Garima Goyal ma'am teaches that one shot videos I used to see, and that NCRT highlight series is there when I was preparing. So ecology and environment you people can do, and that Garima Goyal ma'am, she has taught NCRT highlight series in 2020 or 2021, I don't remember well. So that NCRT highlight series is good enough. You can understand that unit, ecology wala unit. Go and see what are the chapters in that, and you can study from her, or you can see one shot lectures of Vipin Sharma sir. I have told you these two teachers because I felt that they teach very well, and it depends on your interest. So don't waste time searching for teachers. These two teachers are very good for NCRT. You can watch. So ecology and environment you have to do, and it's very easy for math students also. You people can do ecology and environment unit. See, biotechnology you can't do. It needs a lot of understanding of biology, so leave it. Biology and human welfare you can do easily. See, math students, so you can see what are the chapters in this unit, and you can study this chapter again from Garima Goyal ma'am, NCERT highlight series, or Vipin Sharma sir, one shot. They teach. Actually, I am telling their name because I have seen their lectures, and they teach really well, and it helped me get full marks in, because I have got full marks in biology only because of them. So yeah, they are very good teachers for NCRT. Many teachers are there, but then they'll teach बहुत सारा फालतू out of NCRT which will not be asked. So you can see their videos. Biology and Human Welfare Unit, Ecology and Environment Unit. Math students, please do. I think that it will get you around 3-4 questions correct. 4 questions हो ही जाएगा 2 यूनिट से, तो आता ही है. देन डाइवर्सिटी, आई थिंक इसमें मतलब तुम्हारा रिमेम्बरेंस ज्यादा हो जाएगा. सो देन स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं हो पाएगा तुम लोगों से. ह्यूमन फिजियो या रिप्रोडक्शन यूनिट. रिप्रोडक्शन यूनिट, इसमें से बहुत क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. दे गिव डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एवरी ईयर. सो रिप्रोडक्शन यूनिट हैज 2 chapters, I think. Human reproduction, no, it has 3 chapters. Human reproduction, then that reproduction in organisms, and then one more is that in that reproductive health. So I think that you can, reproductive health, it does not require a core knowledge of biology. It's a general type of chapter, so you can do it. And then reproduction in organisms also, that is very easy and basic chapter. It's the first chapter of class 12 biology, so you can do it. Then you open human reproduction chapter. See, basics so you have studied in class 8, so try learning that chapter, maybe, because reproduction unit is scoring, so I suggest you to complete it, reproduction unit. So if you do genetics nahi ho payega tumse abhi, so leave it, because that requires core knowledge of biology, and it's relatively tough. Evolution is more like, I mean, you can do evolution. Big Bang Theory है, फिर something like that chapters है, तो उसमें remembrance है. You have to, बस तुम्हें, it's like a story, evolution chapter. So read it like a story, understand it like a story. So I'll suggest you that do ecology and environment unit, then do biology and human welfare unit, then do evolution, then do reproduction in organisms, that human reproduction, reproductive health, whole reproduction unit. And so yeah, do these chapters, and these chapters will fetch decent marks in. You can, from these chapters, at least your, I think 6 questions will be correct. So because these are scoring also. So this is for PCM students, and for remaining chapters it depends on your willpower. I'll suggest to not touch all those chapters, because at last moment you cannot, grasp new things, and biology is a different subject for you. So you can do these units which I have told you. Now for PCB students, you have to study everything, of course, because you are PCB students, and for biology is your main subject. So of course it's तुम्हारा धर्म बनता है ये कि तुम हर एक चैप्टर अच्छे से एक एक लाइन पढ़ो. So for PCB students, do everything from biology, solve MCQs. And for PCM students also, if when you do these chapters, then after that you solve MCQs. Do previous year MCQs of IIT, NEET and NCERT exemplar के questions कर लेना from the whatever unit you have read. And for biology students, you have to study everything basically, and do MCQs as much as you can. Practice, because practice से तुम्हारा concepts भी revise हो जाएंगे और तुम questions भी जल्दी कर पाओगे. So NCERT के one shot lectures देखो, see it, and see NCERT one shot lectures. I have to speak in English also, then, because people will then tell me Didi English. Some people will tell Didi Hindi. So it's a mixture of Hindi and English now. So read NCERT first thing. Then watch one shot lectures. you'll understand the video more, then come to NCERT, then highlight the NCERT, whatever is important, then do MCQs, do NEET previous year MCQs, do IIT previous year MCQs, do NEST previous year MCQs, then go to NCERT exemplar problems, practice NCERT exemplar problems, do all the problems of NCERT exemplar in biology, and that will make you perfect in biology. It's not difficult to study biology, really. So even if you're not intelligent, you're hardworking, you'll get full marks in biology. So yeah, this was all about biology. You people were asking from a long time that how to study biology, what to study biology for maths people. So I have told you people. So work hard, and I'll suggest you that do not touch these chapters like genetics, small bio, this non-bio students, because you'll not be able to understand, and then you will be demotivated. If you are taking drop, if you are planning to take drop, then study biology fully, do every sub chapters of biology. But for now, as 3 months are only left, 3 months only na, April, May, yeah. So for you people, I'm telling that do not touch biology so much. For PCM students, do only these chapters which I have told you, and that will fetch you a decent marks. So that was all about today, and keep learning. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down. I'll make a separate video, and on that basically I reply to everyone, because मुझे बुरा लगता है कि people are waiting for getting a reply. So yeah, and if you have any doubt, you can join my Telegram channel. A link is given in my bio, and you can DM me on Instagram also. Basically, I reply to everyone. So yeah, that was all about biology. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. So have a nice day.